Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports on your Wii console. First, connect your Wii to your TV using the appropriate cables, typically the yellow, white, and red ones. Next, gently slide the Wii Sports disc into the console's disc slot until it's fully inserted. Finally, make sure your Wii remote has working batteries and is properly synced. You'll usually see one of 4 blue lights illuminate on the remote when it's connected. Once your Wii Sports game has loaded, you'll be presented with the main menu. Use your Wii remote to point at the screen and select the disc channel icon. From there, click on the Wii Sports game icon to begin. You'll then see a selection of 5 exciting sports. Simply point and click on the one you wish to play, whether it's tennis, bowling, or another favorite. Playing Wii Sports is intuitive and fun. Always remember to wear your wrist strap for safety. It's a crucial step. The game provides clear on-screen prompts to guide your actions. For example, in tennis, you'll swing the remote like a racket. In bowling, you'll make a rolling motion. Each sport uses natural movements, making it easy to pick up and enjoy within just a few minutes. To enhance your Wii Sports experience, try using the nunchuck attachment for certain games, especially boxing, where it offers more control. Don't hesitate to explore all 5 sports. Each offers a unique challenge and a chance to improve. Playing with friends or family adds a fantastic social element, turning a simple game into a lively competition. Remember, practice makes perfect, and most importantly, have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.